Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu. From here you just have to go into the profile menu, then tap on manage your account, then on security, and here at the bottom we find delete account. If we tap on this, here we are asked a few questions why we want to delete our account, and then we can just answer this and proceed by following the next steps. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below,